You do not understand. You are not ready.
Yo, what is happening, my YouTube family? Me and Michelangelo are gonna go all kinds of American on you today. Yeah, yeah, cowboy. We're gonna hit some yard sales and see what retro cool stuff we can pick up to flip in the store and online and hopefully make a profit. Yeah, we're gonna hit Pudsey Yard Sale. It's a local thing where the community there gets together once a year. They all open up the garages, let people go in, see what garbage we can buy off them.
Buy everyone else's shit.
Beep!
Bruh.
Yeah, so these houses are scattered around the Pudsey area. They're not all on one street. It's not like a full street of yard sales. They're scattered around. So we've come to the first one 10 minutes early. There's no sign of life. There's not even set up at all. No table set up. They haven't even got a garage. So
They've got a yard though.
they've got a yard to sell us at a yard sale. So yeah, I think we'll go look, see if another one's open instead. Not wasting time here. Go. Found one that's lit up. Afternoon, morning, evening. Wait, first one's here.
Well, I've just had one bloke, he actually bought me, what do you call it, a wood burner.
Oh, I bought you wood burner.
350 quid for that.
Oh, nice. That's a good start today, isn't it? 250 quid in back pocket. Bargain.
Well, I got a fireplace and that put in because I couldn't be bothered.
Weakest link game. Let's take it. You are the weakest link. Goodbye. We've got any here? My little ponies. Jabronis. That's an old one. No, it's just a made in China. No, it's not. My little jabroni. Gorillas in the West. Oh! You take your dog for a walk. Let's go with that. Yep, I'm having that. Boogie Bagel. That's fun, is that? I like that song as well. Kira. Dumbo. Dumbo's cool. So I got him. Originally £20. £20 for a plush. Who's paying that? Barometer and shoe polish, the shoe brushes and that. You know, just in case you want to know what biometric scale's saying and brush your teeth at same, brush your shoes at the same time. Ah, the monkeys. Seen a weevil here, the monkeys. Yeah. Brass monkey. Funky junkie. We go found baubles. Alright, onwards and upwards. I'll take your brass monkeys and I'll take your dancing dog, please. 3 and 2.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It's a start.
Oh, you've already started with your £350 stove, haven't you?
Yeah.
You smashing it?
Boots anyway.
Oh, brass monkeys. Right, lovely, thank you.
Good day.
Hello. You made any sales yet?
No.
Not yet.
We've made some, not
Oh, you've got a Wii U left. I don't know much about Wii U's. That dog song's stuck in my head now. How much is your Wii U? Oh, God, I'm standing on shoes.
It's
Oh, you will.
my mum's at £20.
It's what, sorry?
20.
With games as well?
Yeah. All of it.
Take a punt at £20, don't I? Yeah, it's got to be worth that just for games, hasn't it? 20 quid for that.
Thank you.
You're not kidding, what is it?
Nice one, lads. You can load your table up with something different now, can't you? Got a nice space. Not having my dog. Rose perfume. Did you used to make that, you? What, mud pies as well?
Is that alright? Thank you.
Oh, we've got die-cast for your dad, Mark. Die-cast for dad. Super haulers. Oh, we've got some vintage die-cast in there as well. Space ones. Bloody dog song still in my head. I'm still humming Tequila. Onyx helmets, yeah. I've seen them before. I don't know anything about them. I know your dad's thing, aren't they? My mate Kevin, who's garage here, he does die-cast, but I don't know about them. They don't float my boat. What is that? A micrometer.
I'm assuming it's for measuring.
For measuring things quite exactly. Yeah, my grandfather was an aeronautics engineer, that's why I know what it is. He worked for Rolls Royce on Concorde and all sorts.
Oh, king in the castle, king in the castle. Have a chair, I have a chair.
A thing, a measuring thing.
A measuring thing.
Tales of Mystery and Imagination by Edgar Allan Poe. Nice.
Thank you very much.
How much is this book, please?
50p.
50p for the book. Right, lovely. Thank you. See you later.
It's voiceover time. So the footage from this house was a bit spoilt because of the fact that they had friends visiting. So there was a lot of clamorous noise going on, a lot of laughter. It's nice to be around, but it didn't make for good recording.
That's how you look like. Good day, mate. Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
But I had to show you it all the same because I got probably one of the best finds of the day, if not the best. These Oakley glasses. There was a whole basket of them that I ended up getting. I wasn't fully aware of the value of them at the time. I just thought it was a safe bet. You'll be amazed at the comps of some of them. These ones in particular, are Tour de France 2019, I think, limited edition. Oh yeah! I was needing to think outside the box. I couldn't rely on just stumbling on toys because we'd been to a few and it just didn't seem that it was going to work out that way. So these sunglasses just jumped out at me as a good potential return, and boy was I correct.
What, for the lot?
Yeah. 90 quid?
100?
Yeah.
200?
Yeah, 200. 4, 5, 100.
That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
£100 scratch card on some sunglasses.
Here's a pair.
You can have your dirty dogs.
Cycling or something like that.
Dangerous with money, mate, aren't they? Just get it spent. Get it invested, I mean. It's bloody coming up to winter as well. Worst time to buy them. Worst time to buy sunglasses in winter. Tuck shop. We've got coffee and tea and hot chocolate and crisps. Oh, tuck shop. Tuck shop. Murdered a coffee.
Well, I seem to be in full voiceover mode now. This lady was very nice. We didn't find anything to buy from her, but she was doing the yard sale for a very good cause for an under-12 football team that I think her son played for. So we made pleasant talk and we bought some stuff from the tuck shop just to add to the pot. Got ourselves a coffee. Mark got a coffee. I got an apple tango as a little treat to myself. And we're on our merry way again to the next one. Via a little a little detour. We got a little bit lost along the way, as you'll see.
Down around the corner, just across the way. I think it's down here. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? Emmerdale Farm. Magic coffee. Oosh, oosh, oosh. Buffy Lump Cottage, that's not it. Off-road in Calabria. Joe, I got a new.
I've got no chance.
Coffee everywhere.
I have to go walk.
Sega Rally Championship. Easy left. Easy right. Whoa. Whoa.
Are you filming this bit?
Yeah. I didn't even mean to film it, but I am inadvertently. Mind your sheep. Oosh. Eggs. We've got eggs for sale.
Excellent. In training, no touch, no talk, no eye contact with dog.
What dog? Oh, we're not going there, are we?
Oh yeah, we were proper lost. I kept expecting a 7-fingered local to jump out and start doing dueling banjos with Mark. I think we must have wasted 20 minutes looking for this particular one, but we gave up in the end. Onwards and upwards, tally-ho and all that. Day and night. There's no yard sale up here. Hello.
Hiya.
That's a nice garden, isn't it?
Lovely, isn't it?
Like a little paradise. Giant thimble. Thimble for a giant. Oh, I actually need one of them for myself. Yeah, I want one, but obviously the full machine, not just the... Oh, this?
So there's that, and then that's all bits for it as well. And there's booklet, it's never been used.
Yeah, I want one for doing smoothies. I was literally thinking about it the other day.
It's been opened, but I don't think it's been used at all. I think it's just been down in the cellar.
How much did you want for it?
Most the boss.
The
Harley,
boss. Pauline, how much is this?
for the NutriBullet.
Help me live a healthy lifestyle. Magic bullet? It's not a magic bullet. Not one of them.
No, it does say magic bullet.
Oh, does it? Oh, it does say magic bullet. I stand corrected. My disgusting mind, sorry.
It's like we were with you there.
You know something? You disgust me. I know what people like you get up to, and I think it's disgusting.
Let's go. It looks like one of those that they're rope, you know, for... You know what I mean? In churches and whatnot. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Take it. Some Baileys for you. Trying to get tipsy. Thomas Trains. Jordans? Where? Back, right. On the way? Yeah? Yeah? No?
No. Too warm.
Onwards and upwards. Where's next then? You're taking the signs with him. Stealing the sign. Yard sale. The tiniest yard sale ever.
Oh my god.
10p for cars. 10p for toy cars. Oh, look at that. Corvette. Hot Wheels lead the way. Shame I know nothing about Hot Wheels. Nova, the style Bible of the 60s and 70s. Whoa. Bit of Bluefoot Dads.
Ooh la la. Ay, caramba.
Yep. That's an old magazine. What you found? Copy machine.
Espresso. Maybe wants a copy machine.
Free for school hall. Batman envelope for you. Not envelope. Umbrella. Just in case it starts raining. Yeah. Batman. 39, 37. Maybe like 41 was that one. Hiya. Oh, have you?
Yeah, she just wanted to sell some of her knitted
Some
stuff.
knitting crochet. Go on then, I'll have to buy some crochet now because she said it.
They've got a store.
Oh, they've got a stall there. What, through this gate?
Literally opposite.
Oh, round corner?
Yeah, right, you just have to
Go to driveway?
Yeah.
Right, I've got to buy some crochet though.
They're coasters.
Coasters and gingerbreads.
That's what, to be honest, that's what we've sold most of today.
I'll buy that coaster there to wear as a hat.
No.
To support you in your enterprising.
Oh, that's very kind of you.
It's good to be enterprising, isn't it?
Oh. You only put them out at last minute. Thank you.
Thank you. See you later on.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, my coaster.
On your
Where
head.
is it? It's on my head. I literally forgot. I thought I left it on there then. Forgot where it was. Coaster on my head.
You stupid idiot.
Ooh. XL. Oh. Teletubbies. I think it would be to see. Are they still on telly? Do people still watch them?
Yeah,
Really?
these do.
It's not motorbike. Headless motorbike man. You mean, mate? Yeah. Lost his head.
Saturday night. Saturday night's alright. Ooh, what's that?
Hello.
Hiya.
Yeah, how are you? Good.
What is that? Guitar synthesizer.
It's
An effects pedal.
yes, a synthesizer, guitar synthesizer.
My friend's a musician. I might have to FaceTime him. How much is it? Is it expensive or
Yeah, 30 quid for that.
30?
But they're 90 in the shop. That is a thing that if you Google that, you'll know what it is. It's like you plug stuff in and do stuff
It's
with
a
it.
thing that you plug stuff in and you do things. Oh, wow.
I don't
Well,
know.
that's
Musical thing.
It's a
technical.
thing.
It's a technical thing where you plug stuff in and you do things with. You do things with the thing.
I think you just... What about a nice mic stand? A nice mic stand for you, mate?
Yeah. I'm gonna FaceTime him and see if he answers.
Looks fucking nice.
My sweet love. This is a thing that does a thing. Is it a sampler? It looks like a sampler, doesn't it? Because it's got 1, 2. It's for doing loops. Not answering, is it?
So I intended to pass this on to Luke at cost price, but he never answered the phone. And I looked it up afterwards and just wait for the comp. The comp will come. Just wait for it. You'll see it. You'll see it. And when you do see it, you'll understand why Luke ain't getting it at no cost price. I might let him play with it first, but it's going on eBay.
No answer from Luke.
Well,
How much was each one?
35 each one.
Each one?
Yeah.
I'll definitely take the pedal.
Okay.
I'll definitely take it. Yeah?
Is it king size?
Yes, it's king size.
I really want to see you. That's for the
Oh, lovely. Thank you
pedal.
very much.
Grills. Grills. Zip it grills.
It's like a pencil case made of zips.
See you later.
I thought it was for kicking stones. I thought kicking rocks. I thought it was for putting your grills in your teeth. You know, your gold teeth.
Yabati.
Oh, it's got gold teeth.
What is that?
The pencil case has got gold teeth. That's why it's called a grills. That's cool.
That is cool.
You've got to have that.
My son's just started uni.
Oh, excellent.
Son, I've got you a pencil case.
Yes.
You better use it or else. Alright, thank you. I really want to see you alone, but it takes so. Let's put your bin on back seat. Bing, bong, bing. Alright guys, that was Pudsey Yard Sale. Yeehaw. Started to rain a little bit and people were packing up. We did a couple of hours, got a good few things, stuttered in.
Well, my first year, I played in.
Eric is now stuck on the letter M.
But yeah, it was fun. Mike bought a bin.
Drum bin.
Mike bought a drum bin. Drum bin. Make sure you stick around, subscribe, watch one of these videos over here, and all that stuff. See you in a bit.
Peace out.
Peace out, homie.
All right. Take care now. Bye-bye then. Loser.